This is Financial Legacy Group, and I am the founder, Taydonna, and I will be bringing to you different financial tips and advice that's just really going to help you level up on your finances. So today's topic is how to maximize your tax refund. So hopefully a lot of you will be receiving back that interest-free loan that we let the government borrow, aka overpayment of taxes. So I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can maximize your refund and things that you can do with it that's really going to be financially beneficial for you. So number one tip is to pay off or eliminate debt. So this is one of the few times that you're ever going to receive a lump sum payment other than possibly getting a bonus. So really, it's the best opportunity to pay off that outstanding debt that you have, whether it's credit card debt, student loan debt, some other form of bill that is outstanding that you haven't paid because it's too much money or you didn't have enough money. This would be a great time to pay it off. I would personally suggest tackling that debt that has the highest interest rate. Typically, that would be a credit card payment. You know, if you have 10%, 20% interest rate on anything, that is high, very high. And I would suggest paying that off first. If you think about it, if you have a 20% interest rate on a credit card, you're paying at least $200 on every $1,000 outstanding. That is a lot. That is $200 that you didn't even spend with them. And if you have more or you're not paying the minimum balance, that can snowball into a lot of money. So that's why I would suggest paying off that debt that has the highest interest rate first. So number two tip would be to either build or start an emergency fund, aka savings account. So if you don't have a savings account or an emergency account, I would definitely use some of your refund to really grow that. It is suggested that you should have at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses or income in a savings account. So this is not your checking account. This is a separate high interest yielding savings account. So this could be a money market account. For example, it just needs to be a separate account that's liquid that you can get your money from easily in the event of an emergency. So like I said, at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses or income you should have saved in a separate account. So number 3 would be to invest your money. So if you did number 1 and you don't really have much outstanding debt, or number 2, your savings account is good to go, then I would suggest that you invest your money. If you don't have a 401k or RA, this would be a great time to get it. There are many financial advisors, many financial brokers out there. If you wanted to go to a brick and mortar, there are just so many options out there to invest your money. It's even many options for you to invest it yourself online. There are so many online brokerage platforms that you can invest your money in, and they don't take as much money as if you went into an actual brick and mortar financial brokerage company, because they don't have that same overhead expenses. So, like I said, invest. I cannot emphasize that enough. Investing is the greatest way to multiply your money. Hands down, period. The greatest way to multiply your money. The average rate of return if you're investing is typically 8 to 9% on average. It can be much higher than that. So you're not really going to get that anywhere else unless you're investing your money. So number 1, eliminate debt. Number 2, fund your savings account. Number 3, invest your money. And bonus tip is treat yourself. Yes, this is your money. I would say you could really dedicate 5, no more than 15% of your total refund to doing whatever you want to do. So if you want to act a fool and blow it on whatever, you have the right to do that. But like I said, I would not allocate more than 15% on just splurging your money. But this is your money. You can do what you want to do, have fun. These are just my tips and suggestions on how you can really maximize that money. So thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Financial Legacy Group. And I will see you next week with another topic. Thank you. Bye.